How to add long video on Facebook story. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to upload and share the full-length longer videos on Facebook stories. To do so, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch Facebook app and log into your account. Tap Create a Story button at top left corner and you need to access to camera roll by tapping on Continue button. Again, a pop-up message box appears that says Allow Facebook to access your camera roll. Tap on Allow button and again Continue button. Once you have accessed all the permission, you need to select the video that you want to add on your Facebook story. So let me choose anyone from this gallery section. So once you select, this is the preview of the video. So longer videos get shortened to 60 seconds, but you can trim them first. So you have to be aware about this, that only 60 seconds long video will be uploaded to your Facebook story and not longer than that. So when you tap on the share button, only 60 seconds of your part of this video will be added to your story and the other part will be cropped or trimmed by Facebook automatically. So there is one hack that in that way you can easily add long video in Facebook story, that is to open Messenger application, launch it and tap on stories at bottom right corner, tap add to story and select the same video by turning on this. Once you do that, you can easily tap on the share button at the bottom right corner and add long video on Facebook stories. So that's it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.